Assalamu alaikum and a very, very, very good morning to all of my friends. How are you? You good? Okay, that is great. I am also super good. And yes, we are going to do a little different in our class. Why? Because this is our arts class. Yay! Wow. That means you enjoy your arts class. Yeah? Okay. So remember, we learned to draw a fish last week? Oh, okay. Did you draw the fish? Was that easy? Oh, lovely. Okay, that's great. So we are going to make very easy drawings so you will be able to draw it yourself. With a little practice, you will be able to make it even more good and nice, right? Yes, that is lovely. So using your small hands, you're going to make fish. How you made fish. So today we are going to also make a small animal. And that is most of yours favorite animal. Yeah, that is most of yours favorite animal, right? And what is that? It says meow and it sleeps most of the time. What is that? Yeah, that's a cat. We are going to draw a cat. Remember? This is my favorite cat, a smiling cat, right? No, we are not going to draw the same cat. We will draw a cat, but that will be a little different. That will be a little easy. So you'll be able to draw that, right? So we will have Miss Cathy with us today. She will join us. She will sit here and she will watch we drawing, right? Okay. So I'm going to put her here. Okay. This is Miss Cathy, right? She is here with us. Okay. Right. Okay, so we are going to draw a cat today, and that will be very easy. You'll find it very easy, right? So everybody get ready with your your paper and pencil. Yeah, that is great. So you're going to get yourself ready, right? By holding a pencil and putting the paper in front of you. And you will follow me drawing and you'll be able to draw a cat. Why are you just behind me? Just sit over here so everybody can see you. See, everybody wants to meet you, right? Okay, so today we are going to draw a cat. And before we are going to start, I will show you a video where somebody also is drawing a cat, right? Okay, now let's watch the video. Good. What are they doing? Let's find out. How are they drawing a cat? Yay.
Hello everyone, let's draw a cat. That's the drawing of a cat. Try and trace with me. You can do it. This is an easy one. That's the tail. Ears and everything. Let's color it now. Nice drawing of the cat. I like it.
Okay. I like it too. That is great. Wow. And I am going to show you an even more easier way to draw a cat. Yes. That will be easy for you to draw a cat. And then you'll be able to color whatever you like. Okay. So I'm going to hold my pen in my hand, right? But you will be using your pencils, right? Because that's the first time you're drawing it. Okay, so we're using the pencil and then we will practice, and then draw it, right? Okay, so what are we going to draw? We are going to draw a cat. cat. We are going to draw a cat. Yay! We are going to draw a cat. Okay, so let's find out how easy it is. Okay, we have to make curve lines. We have to make oval, right? And we will finally draw a cat. Ready? Everybody with your pencils? Yeah, good. And your paper? Okay. So first of all, we are going to draw draw an oval, right? So I'm going to draw an oval here. You're going to watch first and then you will draw, right? I am going to draw an oval here. Like this, okay? That's an oval, right? Okay, now all of you can draw an oval on your paper, right? Okay, everybody draw an oval like this. Yes. Got it? Have you drawn? Okay, show me. Yeah, that's good. Good, 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 good. Okay, so what we have to draw is another, this will not be, yeah, this will be oval, but not a little fat oval, right? Okay, so we are going to draw a fat oval starting from here, right? Watch first and then you're going to draw. You're going to watch me first and then you will draw, right? Okay, now we are going to start it from here. Okay, like this. Here, right? We have drawn another oval. Now watch it carefully and you draw another oval right under this small oval. This is a big oval, right? Okay, come on everybody, starting from here. Everybody, yes. Curve, curve. Yes. Good. Yay. Looks like a cat. Not yet, not yet. Doesn't look like a cat, right? No problem. We are going to make it, right? So we are going to make a cat, right? Okay. So we have to draw some more lines. Okay. Got it? These two, we will just draw the legs like this and like this. Okay, now everybody follow. Everybody follow. Right? Come on. Yes, do it. Okay. Now we are going to put something over here, two curved lines. Now let's see what those two curved lines make. Curve line, right? And then another curve line. What does it make? A tail. Yeah, that makes a tail. Okay, now all of you, you can even make a tail. Yay. Now what is left? It doesn't look like a cat. No, it does not. So what do we have to draw now? Ears. Yay. Two small triangles. Yeah, this looks like a little cat. Not much, but yes, closer to the cat, right? So all of you draw two triangles to make a cat. Oh, sorry. Yay. Right? Okay, everybody, follow this. Draw the ears. Cat ears are not very long, so don't draw long ears like rabbit, right? Small ears. Good. Okay. Now what we're going to make is another small triangle that will make its nose. Yay. A small triangle that will make its nose. Yeah. That is great. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to make eyes. Small eyes, two dots. Oh my God, this does not look like a cat. This looks like a bird. Come on, we have to make two more curve lines. Starting from the tip of this triangle, a curve line like this, another curve line like this. Now it looks like a cat. Yay, yes. This looks like a cat and we have to make it whiskers. Oh my God, that looks so cute. Oh, this is going into his eye. Yay! Now this looks like a cat, and my cat is a little fat. Hmm. Now, have you drawn the cat? Show me your cat, everybody. Yeah, lovely cats. Somebody have a small cat and somebody have a big cat. Good, good, good. Whatever you like. See, this is a sweet little cat. My cat is eating so much and he become fat. Oh my God. No problem, no problem. We'll feed you as much as you want to, right? Okay. So, but don't feed animals too much because then that gets their stomach upset. Yes, they can get ill, they can get sick. Yeah, you don't have to feed them that much. Right? Okay, that is great. See, we made a little cat. Was it easy for you? Okay. Oh, Mr. Catty wants to see the cat. Wow, okay. Okay, come along, come. Let's have a look at the cat. Ah, you like it? Oh, she likes it too. She's happy, see? She's happy to see her friend, right? Okay, you like my cat. See? And look at the other cats. All of you, show her your cats. She wants to see. Yay! Lovely, great. She is very happy to see all of your cats, and she is clapping for you. She's saying yay, and she's saying lovely. Wow, see, she's so happy. Yeah, and they have become friends. Right? Okay, so we have drawn a cat today. Was that easy for you? So you have to draw one oval and the other one, then the legs, then two curved lines, then two triangles, then a small triangle, then two curved lines, two dots, and another three lines here, three lines there, which makes the whiskers, right? Okay, that is great. Are you happy? You're happy? Okay, that's great. She's also happy. Okay, now whatever cat you have drawn, maybe there's a big or a small one, you're going to color it inside the body, right? You can make the nose pink or peach, right? Even the ears pink or peach, and otherwise you can make it like brown or golden or maybe black. Black cats are also very cute, and even white cats are very cute, right? So this is the cat we have made today, right? I enjoy that. I really like my cat. Okay, see? So you are going to draw that. Oh, sorry, color it. Okay. And then you have to practice drawing it, right? So you'll be able to make it nicely. So you'll get perfect, right? Your fingers, your muscles will be working and you'll be able to draw even more nicely, right? So this was our arts class, and I hope that you all have enjoyed this, right? I have enjoyed drawing this little cat. Okay, so I will see you in the next class, right? Okay, till then, you're going to stay safe and you're always going to be happy, right? Okay, I'll say you bye bye and see you soon in the next class, right? Okay, bye bye.